I have been working in IT sector from past 5 years. I graduated from Delhi University in 2015 and I recently started competitive programming again. But this time I thought of giving it back to the community. Let's start with Lead Code, which I have been a regular visitor to, and they have come up with their daily, monthly challenges. And let's get started with day one. August Lead Code Challenge, and let's see what is the first question. Detect capital. So let's go through the question together. Given a word, you need to judge whether the usage of capitals in it is right or not. We define the usage of capitals in a word to be right when one of the following cases holds. All characters in this word are in capitals. All letters in the word are not in capitals, like lead code. Only the first letter in the word is in capital, as in Google, with G in capital letter. Otherwise, that word doesn't use the capitals in right way. Okay, so let's go through the two examples. Very important to read the question very carefully. Otherwise, you won't be before even starting the thought process. You should take time to read the question, absorb, and then start thinking. You should always read the question carefully. So the initial approach to solve this question could be iterate through the string 3 times. The first one where you check in whether all the letters in the word are in capitals or not. The second part would be to check for all the letters in the word are in small letters or not. And the third one would be to check for the first characters in capitals and the rest in small. So, but this has a limitation that you have to uh, iterate through the string 3 times, and hence would be a little tedious. Let's think of whether we can improvise a solution or not to a single iteration, and let's start the coding. So there are three cases that we need to take care of: USA, Google, and lead code. So in these two cases, there's one thing is common. The first letter is capitals, and the rest of the letters are in the same case as the first character. What I mean is, if S is in capitals, then the rest of the string should be in capitals, and if G is in small, the rest of the string should be in small. So we can use the value which is at the first character, and then check for the rest of the string. And this is pretty simple. The third one is pretty simple. You know that the first is in lower one, so the rest of the string should be in lower one. So let's try and code it out. The first is a corner case length check. Let's calculate the length. If length is equal to 0 or length is equal to 1, then return true, because anything which is of 0 length or 1 length is uh, valid by default. Now let's calculate the 0th character. Word.char at 0, and the type of 0th character. 0 is upper. Let's check whether it is upper or not. Character is upper case. 0 char. If 0 is upper, then we'll do this, otherwise we'll fall back to checking everything is in lowercase or not. So let's extract the first character. First character. Word.char at first, and let's check the type of whether the first character is upper or not. Copy pasting the verb code, replacing it with the first character, and then let's iterate through the loop. For integer I is equal to 2, starting 2 up to the length of the string I plus plus, and character current char word.char at I boolean type, sorry, is upper character, whether the current character is upper or not. If is upper is equal to is not equal to first is upper, return false. Yeah. Rather, I should name this is upper to current is upper. That makes more sense. And we can do a similar process for this. And we know the zeroth character type was was lower, so we can use zero is type from here, and we don't need this. We'll start with the first character, and we can check it against the zero is upper or not, and then return true. Otherwise, that's the last case where your string is the valid one, actually capitalized as per the rules. And it's very important to read the solution before you try and submit it. So let's go through the solution, what we have done. This is a length check, typical easy one. Then extracted the first character. Then check the first character, the zeroth character is uppercase or not. If it is an uppercase, then you extracted the first character and check whether it is in the uppercase or not. This will act as a placeholder for the rest of the characters. And then you started with the loop, starting from 2 to the length, and extracted the type of the remaining characters, and whenever there is a discrepancy, a mismatch, you return false, otherwise you return true. And similarly, instead of moving from the second character, we started with the first character, knowing that the zeroth character was always in the lower case, because we have this information stored here in the zero is upper variable, and it should work. Let's see. Oh, it worked. Great. Hope you like the video, and if you like it, please click on the subscribe button and share it with the friends. Thanks for watching it.